Hey guys, just want to make a thank you video and say thanks to all you guys, cause you're just awesome. I've reached 100 subscribers and I'm so happy. It's the best gift for Christmas you can give me. I'm so happy. I want to thank especially thank 6 people for helping me out and just supporting me from the start or the beginning. So they stick to me from the beginning and help me out. So the first one I wanna thank is Banff Mediafy. His name is Parker. He's awesome. He's made my background and wallpapers and stuff for me, and we have talked a little bit over Skype and YouTube. So he's awesome. Go subscribe to him if you're not, because he's an awesome guy. So thanks to him very much. Thank you, Parker, Banff Mediafy. So yeah, thank you. And the next one is Decap Band. Yeah, he's also sticking with me from the beginning of my, I guess you can say, YouTube career or something. But yeah, Decap Band, he's awesome. I've talked a lot to him, so yeah, thanks to him very much. Thank you. And the next one is Oski Tech Show. His name is Tim, and I think he was my first subscriber, and he has helped me out and yeah, do stuff for me, and yes, included me on his website called oski.com, and he's just an awesome guy. So thank you, Tim. The next one is STM Pool. He's also awesome and supported me from my absolutely beginning. He was one of my first subscribers. So thank you, STM Poodle. Thank you very much, and thank you for your nice videos. Also nice videos of the other people. So yeah, thank you. And the next one is True Muslim, and he's supported me and yeah, helped me out and stuff. So thank you, True Muslim. Thank you. So yeah, I guess that was all. No, we have one more. Webnel. Webnel is cool. He's from Poland, and he makes also Linux videos as the other people. So yeah, he's cool. Go subscribe. Yeah, so you can see my awesome background made by Banff Mediafy. So thank you very much, guys. 100 subscribers, that's amazing for a beginner. So thank you, guys, and I'm sorry if you don't understand me all the time. I try my best, but yeah, thank you, guys. You're just amazing.